Look at that. Those are baby birds.
Em ơi, gọi mấy người đến khoan nha.
This is the mother bird. Look at that. That's a baby one.
Thanks, sir.
Oh no, just leave it there, please. No, you don't have to fold it. Somebody else.
Look at that.
There's more people coming.
Right there is sleeping. The mother's sleeping. And the baby one just hatched a month ago.
Thank you.
Look at that. It's literally on top of the roof. Can't believe what they're doing. Look at that. Oh, they want to.
chạy xe điện của anh nghèo không?
Exercise.
And the black one right there
Tới đây
sleeping.
exercise.
Darren.
Sleeping right there. Okay, so he's just waiting for the kids to sleep.
Trời ơi, xe nó nè.
These ones on the right are the kids. That one is the
It's
family.
time you start helping. You want to do spaghetti?
I need help.